What does grief mean? Grief means deep sadness or sorrow, usually caused by a loss. In simple words, grief means strong feelings of sadness. People often feel grief when someone they love dies or when they experience a painful loss. For example, she felt great grief after losing her best friend. This means she felt very deep sadness. Grief is a natural emotional response to loss. It can happen after losing a family member, a pet, a relationship, or something very important. Everyone experiences grief differently. Some people may cry, feel quiet, or need time alone. Here are more example sentences. He was filled with grief after the tragic news. The family shared their grief during the difficult time. She struggled to cope with her grief. Grief is a powerful emotion that usually takes time to heal. Support from family and friends can help people deal with grief. In simple terms, grief means deep sadness caused by loss. Easy way to remember, grief means deep sorrow.